Hi ladies, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna unbox Replenix skincare box. Okay, I already put my hair up so I can demonstrate it right now. But first, let me show you what it has inside. So I already opened it. I already know what it has. So it has a Replenix sensitive caffeine fortified calming serum. It's this one. And I didn't come with a card or letter. It always does. I don't know why this time it didn't have it. So this is the Redness reducing triple AOX cream. So this is for sensitive skin, sorry. No, but this is the sensitive line skincare. I don't think I've tried it. I've tried their acne. Let me check. Oh no, I lied by accident. I don't remember. This is their moisturizer. This is in the sensitive line, but I also tried their anti-aging and acne line. So yeah, I already done videos before using this. I think for the anti-aging, I don't think I have for my YouTube. I don't know, but the anti-aging is nice. The acne, my skin reacted very badly. Well, not so badly, but I got redness all over my face. So I don't recommend that if you have sensitive skin. But anyway, so now I'm excited to try this because supposedly it's for sensitive skin. But let's see if it actually works, because not all products that say sensitive has a lot of chemicals still. So yeah. You see it has a lot of ingredients. I don't know. Let's see, I'm gonna try it. So all of this is cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free, fragrance free. So all of that is good for sensitive skin. Like, I have sensitive skin, so everything breaks me out or irritates me or burns me or stings me. So that's why I just use one skincare. I just wash my face and that's all I do with the Cetaphil foaming cleanser. I think that's what it's called. That's all I use. Sometimes I use mask, and I don't even use moisturizer. Oh yeah, sometimes the Good Molecules, this one. So let's see, let's hope for the best. I'm scared, I'm traumatized because I'm still healing from this burn from using the Science's Neuro machine. Where is the box? Let me find it. It's underneath my desk. But this one, you have to be very careful, please. Don't get too excited. Don't use it for a long time. Just use one lighting setting. I don't freaking know. If you have sensitive skin, just don't even try it, because I already did, and look, I still have scars. Let's hope it fully goes away, but if it doesn't, then oh well. I used it at my own risk. So anyways, I'm gonna use this. Oh yeah, earlier I washed my face and I showered, so I'm gonna use their cream and serum. I forgot which one goes first. I think the serum and then cream. It doesn't really say or specify, and I can't Google right now because I don't want to take my phone off the freaking tripod and then put it back on. It's a whole hassle. So it comes like this with a pump, so that's really cool. And this one says directions after cleansing the skin, apply to the desired area twice daily. So that always I don't like when it says apply twice daily because I forget. I just apply skincare once a day and that's it. So I know it's bad, but I forget or I fall asleep or it's just too much. And if you're someone like me, you just want to do it once a day and get it over it, then it kind of sucks because I forget. But this one, you don't have to use it twice a day. This is the cream. It says after cleansing the skin, apply it all over. So it's pretty simple. Like, I like products like this, which you don't have to do anything. Just apply it once and you're good to go. But I'm gonna still try the serum right now before the cream. So let me, ay, se me cae todo. Let me put it in my hand first. So, oh, that looks bad. I'm sorry, but the color, I don't like it. I like clear white products. That freaks me out because my skin is so sensitive. I don't even know if I should try it, so I'm gonna still use it, but not, I'm not gonna apply it in the redness right here. So, and that looks like jelly or gravy. That doesn't look like skincare, like serum. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. Now my heartbeat is beating fast. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna risk it because it's been like a week or two and I haven't used these products because of my freaking skin, but let's hope for the best. So I'm just gonna put it here. Maybe I should apply it with on one side of my face instead of all of it because I don't want it to react badly. It's scary. So I keep hearing sounds. Let me check. Hold up. Sorry, it's just my notebook because it's flying in the air because the freaking fan is on. I thought somebody was waiting for me until I finished talking to come in, but anyways. So, okay, so far my skin is not reacting. I mean, it always does this. The red bumps appear, but that's a whole nother issue. I don't know what it is. It's not acne. It's for trying a separate Instagram skincare brand that's supposed to be cruelty free and all that, but you know, I'm just gonna be quiet right now. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put the freaking, let me just risk it and put it all over my face because I don't feel anything yet. So my skin is freaking dry. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, it's always dry and ugh. So oops, I think I put it in the scar by accident, but I need a lot of moisture, and even when I apply the moisture, I don't feel it going seeping into my skin. I don't feel it super hydrated. So yeah, that's how dry my skin is. So let me see, where is the freaking, I still can't get over the gravy color. This doesn't look like skincare, it looks like food or freaking, I don't know, it's weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna put more in my nose and my forehead. I think the forehead is where I'm the most dry, and my nose, my T-zone, but everywhere is dry. Everywhere. Even, you know, I'm just keeping it real. I'm just kidding. No, for real. My skin is not reacting badly, so that's pretty nice because I'm traumatized. My heart is so beating because I don't want this to go bad again because I'm barely getting my skin to like somewhat decent. So, oh yeah, and that's a pimple, I think. So I can't. So now I'm gonna try the cream. This is for redness reducing, which I need because of the scarring I have, and it's a whole mess. So this one also comes with a pump. So, oh, I think it's locked, so you have to twist it. Somebody help me. I don't know how to use this. Wait, let me figure it out. Okay, I figured it out. So wow, okay, so ooh, this looks like foundation. That doesn't look, I don't know why it's supposedly sensitive, but it's orange, I mean brown. It's supposed to be clear, white, no fragrance. It doesn't have this I can't say the word fake fragrance. It doesn't have a scent at all. Oh, I booped my nose, but the color, I don't like the color. It's supposed to be clear if it's for sensitive, you know, or whites, but to each their own, you know. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face, except those red spots right here. So it's making my face red. So let's see, maybe it's because I'm just touching my face because I'm fair. So it feels smooth. I don't see a difference. Obviously it's the first time I tried, but I mean, I don't feel anything irritating my skin, so wait, but it's making it look red. I don't know if it's normal. Wait. No, I think it's just because I'm touching my face. Yeah, so I need a lot of moisture, because that was nothing for me for my skin. So freaking dry. And imagine winter is barely gonna be fall. Oh my god. But I think I'm just gonna use the Pond's cream I used to use, but that one has fake fragrance, but I don't think my skin reacted badly with it. But I think it has a lot of chemicals, and back then I could use it because my skin didn't have scars, I didn't have eczema, I didn't have anything. But I don't know, I probably have to use it again because these cost a lot and they don't even work. They made my skin react badly, which is crazy. Like, the cheap products don't make that same reaction to me. It's weird. Like, it's cheap. It's supposed to be the opposite, but it's weird. Okay, so I feel a little bit more moisturized. I think this works. I can breathe now. It finally, this skincare did not made my skin react badly, but let's give it a few hours or a day and see if it actually pulls through, because you know, sometimes an hour passes or so and then your face reacts badly to it. You see, that's new acne, I think. That is not for using this, okay? Just FYI, this is scars. These are scars. So I have a new like pimple or this. I'm trying to get a facial. I don't know where, but I'm trying to get my skin super clear. And nothing is helping, so please give me tips. I probably have to use, I don't know, like something from the earth instead of these chemicals or something, because that's how bad my skin is right now. So, oh yeah, so first impressions, the products work nice. My skin didn't react. I like it. It feels smooth, moisturizing. That's how it's. The only thing that I didn't like is the freaking color. I don't like that it's brown. It's supposed to be white or clear for me personally. Anything skincare, because it looks like makeup. It doesn't look great for skincare. I mean, maybe for other people, but not for me. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna end it here. So yeah, thank you for for watching. Bye.